My name's Dan Thompson. I'm the Chief Sales Officer at Greenlight Guru. For those of you that may not be familiar with Greenlight Guru, we are a software company that makes quality management and clinical trial software that helps companies bring devices to market faster, safer, and ultimately the reason we do what we do is because we want to help thousands of MedTech companies like you improve the quality of life. And we do this because we know that bringing life-changing products to patients is complex and increasingly hard, right? Teams are distributed, especially post-COVID. Regulations continue to evolve, and MedTech companies are still struggling to balance compliance efforts with speed and innovation of execution, which is why we're all here at this conference today. But the harsh reality is that too many companies fail, right? Too much time is spent on the much-needed administrative tasks associated with checking the boxes of bringing devices to market, whether that's identifying the initial risks associated with a device, ensuring the correct design controls, documenting various procedures. And these are critically important, but at the end of the day, it stifles innovation when you're working in a manual system, when you're working in a manual process. So this job is far too important to ignore, but it's not the core competency. It's not why all of you are here to see these new innovations come to light and ultimately impact patients. And so we've asked ourselves, as we've been doing this for a while now, how can we help more MedTech companies ultimately succeed? We do this by enabling medical device companies to bring products to market faster, more efficiently, and with less risk. And we do that through what we call the MedTech suite. So we look at various jobs to be done for these companies, establishing a core foundation of quality to ensure that all the correct documentation, the SOPs, the work instructions, those are all locked down and aligned in accordance to whether it be ISO or FDA standards, ensuring that they can look at the risks, the harms, the hazards, the controls associated with the effective design of a product, and then getting them, again, safely and efficiently through clinical trials so those devices can ultimately see the light of day, make it out into the market, and start really impacting the patients that these innovators are ultimately looking to serve. And so when we say that we are purpose-built for MedTech solutions, what does that actually mean? Well, it means a handful of things. First, we're built on scalable and cloud-based infrastructure with validated workflows. So these companies can shortcut their time to value, they can get to market faster, they can ensure compliance within those industry standards, and do so out of the box, right? Ultimately, the longer it takes these innovators to get to market, the bigger impact it has not only financially, but also on their ability to make a dent in the universe. We provide a single source of truth, so everything is documented, everything is traceable, it's audit ready and friendly. And then at the end of the day, empowering those teams to drive visibility across the various inputs to these devices. And the ROI that many of our customers see is real. So whether that's a reduction in the time needed to set up a QMS, depending on the regulatory pathway, on average, we see about 75% faster than if they were bringing a device to market on a paper-based or a general purpose solution, 35% reduction in time to market, and then a 40% reduction in the number of audit findings once they're actually up and running. So we have been doing this for about 10 years now. We have 1,100 customers globally. We are very well trusted in the industry. It's been great being at this conference, talking to many people who are already familiar with us, many who are already customers of ours. But as we think about all of these innovators that are looking to bring fresh, new, innovative devices to market, we would love to have conversations with you all and see how we might be able to help you move MedTech forward. So we are downstairs across from the Innovator Pavilion. We'd love to come talk to anyone that wants to learn a little bit about Greenlight Guru, either as a potential platform for them to help bring their device to market or as a partnership opportunity. We have a pretty large partner network because all of these companies do need help in various capacities that aren't always in our direct wheelhouse, but we want to make sure we're serving the industry, serving the community. And so however we can do that, that is why we're here.